Good day, folks. This is Mike Padua once again, and this is our latest tropical weather analysis for this Wednesday to Friday, January 13th, 15, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. So let's begin. Let's proceed to our update. Here's the latest GovSat beginning today, Wednesday, until tomorrow, Thursday. Still, the tail end of a frontal system continues to affect the Visayas and southern portions of the Bicol region, where some cloudy conditions, breezy with passing showers or thunderstorms will be expected, together with the northeast monsoon across these areas. So the seas will remain rough and dangerous to all types of sea crafts. Meanwhile, across the Sulu Archipelago, MiMaRoPa, Bicol region, the rest of Luzon, it will remain under the influence of the northeast monsoon. So expect sunny to partly to at times cloudy conditions with passing showers or drizzles across these areas, particularly those facing the Philippine Sea, facing the east. Okay, while over the western sections of Luzon, although we have the northeast monsoon, expect some drier conditions with low chances of some rainfall, but the winds will be gusting up to 40 to 50 kph, particularly the eastern sections. And also here across the West Philippine and South China Seas, including the Panatag Shoal and the Kalayaan Island Group over the Spratlys, it will be choppy. The seas will be rough and dangerous to all types of sea vessels, as well as winds reaching up to 50 to 60 kph. So these areas will be very dangerous and risky to all seafarers. Okay, and so far the situation of the northeast monsoon will continue for the next 24 hours, but it will start to just be concentrating here over the northeasternmost part and the northernmost part of Luzon, particularly Batanes, where some showers and mostly cloudy conditions will be expected for the next 24 hours. We have now here a strong high pressure area moving towards the offshore areas of eastern China towards Okinawa. So this is the reason why the northeast monsoon continues to persist, since this high pressure is moving slowly towards the east. While here over the areas of Mindanao, they will be under the influence of the surface trough, so they could expect some evening or afternoon rain showers and thunderstorms as well, but the winds is somewhat variable with no gustiness of more than 20 kph. Outside of PAR, we have a surface trough here over the western Micronesia, including Palau, and the near equatorial intertropical convergence zone over the southernmost part of central and eastern Micronesia. So far, no developing LPAs or tropical disturbances or cyclones will be expected for the next 5 to 10 days, based on the latest computer models. Now that's the latest from our GovSat. If we look at our fast animation, you can clearly see here the tail end of the frontal system still affecting the Visayas, and somewhat it's starting to move towards the southern, towards the Bicol region. So the southern portions of the Bicol region is expected to experience some thunderstorms, particularly over Sorsogon, Albay, Catanduanes for the next few hours, since it's evening right now here in the Philippines. And as we look at our zoom in satellite animation, so this is for the past 6 hours, beginning at 4 p.m. this afternoon until 10 p.m. this evening. You can clearly see here the developing thunderstorms over northern Samar, starting to move towards the west, affecting Sorsogon and Albay as of this time. So there's a possibility that it could bring some rain showers across the areas of Camarines provinces, as well as Catanduanes. So far here over the areas of Leyte, Bohol, and Cebu, there could be also some strong thunderstorms brought about by the tail end of a frontal system, while the rest will be breezy with some lower temperatures down to 21 degrees along the eastern sections of Luzon, And so far, that's the latest. And as we look at our rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days, courtesy of ECMWF from the windy.com forecast. So you can clearly see here that the areas of MiMaRoPa, Southern Quezon, Bicol region, Northern Samar will be under the influence of the frontal system, under the influence of the tail end of the frontal system as it moves back towards the Bicol region for the next 3 days. So expect by Thursday or tomorrow, we could expect some showers and thunderstorms as well across the Bicol region, while also here over Mindanao and the southern portions of Sulu Archipelago and southern Palawan, we could also witness some thunderstorms brought about by the surface trough and the southern edge of the northeast monsoon, which is continuing to affect our country. Okay, so that's the latest. And as we look at our 3-day wind forecast from the American model, this is the latest from windy.com. So for tomorrow, the northeast monsoon will continue to affect Bicol region, Luzon, and portions of western Visayas and MiMaRoPa. And on Friday, it will start to slowly weaken, but still the effects of the Amihan or the northeast monsoon continues. And on Friday, we have another surge of the northeast monsoon moving or approaching the extreme northern parts of Luzon. And on Sunday, it will start to affect most parts of Luzon, particularly the extreme northern and eastern sections of Luzon, and also might affect the northern portions of the Bicol region on Sunday. So far, that's the latest from our wind forecast. And before we leave you, here's the latest global tropics hazards. Global tropics hazards and benefits outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA. And for week 1, valid January 13 to 19, there will be a higher chance of above average rainfall across the Philippine Islands because of the prevailing northeast monsoon and the tail end of a frontal system, as well as some surface troughs that could generate more rainfall. And again, this is due to the existing La Nina conditions, while on week 2, valid January 20 to 26, the rain conditions or the area of the Philippines will be moving back to normal rainfall conditions, but still the effects of the La Nina will continue. So far, there's no tropical cyclone formation for the next 2 weeks. So far, that's the latest for today, Wednesday through Friday, and we'll be returning again on Friday to give you more update here at Typhoon 2000. And before we leave you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Mr. Typhoon.tv, for the latest on the weather situation as well as future tropical cyclones. From Typhoon 2000, it's Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #weatherwiser, and thank you for watching our channel.